According to the latest market action, Dogecoin has managed to test previous highs. The most promising one is the 30 cents price level. We have a lot of takeaways from the midweek performance of the altcoins who followed the charge of Bitcoin. The crypto king has hit a new all-time high at about $69,000, nice, and it went painfully close to crossing the $70,000 price boundary, which had been predicted in the bull run that ended in April with Bitcoin touching $63,000. People on the other side of the fence who don't believe in the future of the crypto market have gotten the shock of their lives as cryptocurrencies have technically overridden the entire financial market. It offers an entirely different investment option than stocks, contract on differences, otherwise known as CFDs, with ETFs. With the comprehensive growth of the crypto market, we have seen several trading options such as futures gain traction among investors. Very soon, the idea of ETFs could become a thing, and investors can earn more profits from their investments over time. Welcome back to Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Dogecoin momentarily brought some profits to the table for its holders, especially those who managed to buy in while the price traded at just 23 cents. We've been anticipating substantial growth in the value of Dogecoin for over a month after seeing a new traction that meme coins have begun to generate. Most of them refuse to stay as mere meme coins that seek to become a buzz with the considerable attention they enjoy on social media. Dogecoin is still ahead of the industry for utility as a currency in terms of value. According to reports, Dogecoin is set to hit the moon. Finally, we mean the real moon. SpaceX has been the one that has publicly discussed the potential of adopting Dogecoin as the official cryptocurrency of its space missions, and SpaceX would receive all donations for the project in Dogecoin. In a way, the Doge community highly anticipates such a move, which could happen very soon following the latest reports. United, an intelligent crypto exchange ecosystem, has partnered with Geometric Energy Consumption to fund a mission to the moon with Dogecoin. Oh, you're expecting the project to have a touch of Elon? Well, yes, he's indirectly involved in this project. After all, his company has had it planned for months. The project would be setting a record that even NASA was yet to achieve. The plan is to launch a 40-kilogram CubeSat spacecraft into lunar orbit in the first quarter of 2022. It's rather sooner than expected. It would be a great realization. After all, some people are still skeptical about the possibility of the project involving Dogecoin. Many even argued that Dogecoin wasn't worthy of being used to champion such a project. So what'll be the purpose of the spacecraft? A CubeSat is a small satellite that is used for research. Forget what you've seen in movies. A vast majority of the universe is yet to be explored. Humanity has not been able to go too far in its understanding of the solar system even as we know it, at least enough to take advantage of the resources that it possesses. This project is a massive step in that direction. The satellite is mostly going to be unmanned, and its features are entirely automated. How will the data from the research be sent back to Earth? Well, after gathering lunar spatial data, the satellite will relay knowledge back to GEC using its onboard communications module. It seems like all the Dogecoins that are accumulated to sponsor the project have been put to good use. And as discussed, the mission has appropriately been named DOGE-1. Dogecoin is the first cryptocurrency to receive actual applications outside Earth, thus setting the template for space commerce. It might seem like a bit of a test run, but it is indeed a huge deal to see Doge attain more realistic to the moon missions. Is this the first CubeSat to be launched? Well, of course not. There are already over 1,500 mini CubeSats found at low orbit, floating around the Earth at about 1,200 miles above the surface. Those satellites are part of the budding Interlink project of Starlink, another arm of the SpaceX communications project that aims to create a powerful network service provider in all countries of the world. The DOGE-1 mission is scheduled to go much further, about 250,000 miles, to navigate around the moon. No CubeSat has ever been launched that far. It would be beating NASA's Capstone to make that journey, but that project is enduring delays for technical reasons, and the timeline for its launch has been set for March 2022. Hence, DOGE-1 has the opportunity to happen before the proposed date of NASA's Capstone. It'll be the first cryptocurrency-funded coin to reach the moon. The signature statement of Doge to the moon would be manifesting for real this time. Elon Musk was a significant contributor to the growth of Dogecoin this year, and SpaceX has been seen as one of the features that could get the coin to impressive levels. Aside from that, Dogecoin remains relatively relevant on other fronts. after its use as a currency grew to include cinema giants AMC, among other listings. The Doge to the moon mantra could draw more attention to the coin soon enough once it generates enough steam. 2022 will be an excellent year for Dogecoin if the launch happens as scheduled to become the first mission of its kind. Despite this growth, we need to face facts that Dogecoin hasn't experienced a healthy price action enough to match its massive rise a couple of months ago. It's yet to recover from its May dip, and this has given a coin like Shiba Inu room to gain ground in the meme crypto market. With market capitalization, Dogecoin is still ahead of Shiba Inu, and it will continue to be the leading meme coin. We don't expect the currency to be static at the end of the year. The Dogecoin network is currently under development in a bid to enhance its utility and strengthen its fundamentals. The developers have stated that they were running the Gideon build process for the 1.14.5 proposal. The set upgrade is set to tackle the most criticized aspect of Doge, its transaction fee. The announcement has given optimism that Dogecoin would increase the price, but that hope wasn't realized. Dogecoin holds so much promise when the charts are observed, and it looks all the more like it would probably hit a new high soon enough. Analysts have begun to see considerable similarities between Dogecoin and Bitcoin in terms of chart outlook. They suggest that Dogecoin could very well attain its all-time high soon enough. It might just be ready to reach the dollar mark. The improved fundamentals of Dogecoin in support of its community and going to the moon could end up aiding the most giant meme coin pump in the coming months. According to FX Street Analysis, Dogecoin's price has been stuck under a crucial barrier for roughly 5 months. Although Doge rallied on October 28th, it failed to push through this hurdle, leading to consolidation. However, the increased coil form in the trend pattern suggests the DOG-themed cryptocurrency is due for a breakout. Could this be a trigger for a bull run? Dogecoin price set up 3 new swing lows since August 16th, resulting in an inverse head and shoulders pattern. This technical formation contains 2 swing lows of comparable depth, forming the shoulders, with the central one slightly deeper, known as the head. Connecting the peaks of these swing lows results in a neckline that serves as a resistance barrier and helps confirm the breakout. The setup forecasts a 53% breakout to 45 cents, determined by adding the distance between the right shoulder's peak and the head's lowest point. Although the Dogecoin price came close to breaching the neckline on November 8th, it failed. However, the daily close above 28 cents would theoretically confirm a break and the start of growth of about 53%. Investors should wait for a higher high above 30 cents to open up a resistance-free path for Doge to the liquidity pool, ranging from 34 to 37 cents. Clearing this pit stop will allow Dogecoin price to head higher and produce a new swing high of around 45 cents. In total, this ascent from the current position would constitute a climb of about 70%. While things are looking up for Dogecoin's price, a daily close below the 21 to 26 cents demand zone would invalidate the bullish thesis. This move could potentially trigger a further descent for Doge to 19 cents. Investors waiting for Dogecoin to move will finally be able to take profits if the price can reach levels around 45 cents and above. Dogecoin's moon action to $1 is still the ultimate price target, and we continue to hold out for the possibility of that move in the short term. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.